Hey everyone. Welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 83, and today we're talking about something super important, but also really fun: how to use articles correctly. An, the, and zero article when we don't use any article at all. Hi friends, I'm Lily, and I'm so excited you're here with us today.
Hi everyone, Ben here, your friendly co-host. Lily, I have to be honest. When I first started learning English, articles drove me crazy. I would say things like, I go to school by bus, and that was okay, but then I'd mess up and say, I go to the school by the bus, and people would give me the strangest looks. But guess what? Now I love articles. They're like tiny magic words that make your English sound natural and clear. Today we're going to explain everything slowly, step by step, with lots of examples, stories, and practice. No stress, just fun. Ready to start, friends? Let's do this.
Yes, let's begin with the absolute basics. Articles are small words we put before nouns: people, things, places, ideas. They help answer two big questions. Is this one specific thing, or is this any one of many, or in general? There are four possibilities: a or an, indefinite articles, not specific; the, definite article, specific; zero article, no article at all; general or special cases.
Perfect. First, let's talk about and an. We use or an when something is not specific. It's one of many, or we're mentioning it for the first time.
The big rule is about the sound that comes next, not the letter. Use a before a consonant sound. A dog, a cat, a book, a car, a university, because university starts with a U sound, consonant. Use an before a vowel sound. An apple, an egg, an orange, an hour, the H is silent, an umbrella, an elephant.
Let's practice together right now. Say these out loud. I saw blank bird in the tree.
A bird, consonant B.
She wants blank ice cream.
An ice cream, vowel A.
It's blank useful tool.
A useful tool. U is consonant sound.
He waited for blank hour.
An hour, vowel sound after silent H.
Great job, everyone. Repeat each one 3 times. It really helps your brain remember the sound rule. Listeners, try these on your own. I need blank new pen. Can you give me blank answer? This is blank easy question.
Answers: a new pen, an answer, an easy question.
Awesome. Now let's move to the definite article. We use the when the thing is specific. We both know which one, or it's already been mentioned, or it's the only one like it.
Examples: first mention, I bought a phone. Any phone, first time. Second mention, the phone is blue. Now we know which phone.
Unique things. The sun is shining today. Only one sun. The moon looks beautiful. The earth is our home.
Also with superlatives. This is the best movie ever. The top one. She's the tallest girl in class.
Also with directions or places we both understand. Turn to the right. Pass me the salt, please. The salt on the table right now.
Let's do a little story chain. I'll start, you continue. Listeners, say your part out loud too. This morning, I found an old photo in a box.
An old photo. First time. Any old photo.
The photo showed my family on holiday.
The photo. Now specific, the one I found.
In the picture, everyone was smiling.
The picture. Same as the photo.
Later, I showed it to a friend.
A friend. Any friend, first mention.
The friend said it was nice.
The friend. Now we know which friend.
See, it flows so naturally when you use articles right.
Now the part many people find hardest, zero article, no article needed. We skip articles when talking in general, not about one specific thing.
Common cases, general plurals. Dogs are friendly. Dogs in general, not specific ones. Cats love milk. Books help us learn. Uncountable nouns in general. Water is good for you. I like coffee in the morning. Love makes people happy.
Meals. Breakfast is important.
We eat dinner at 7. Sports. I play football. She loves basketball. Languages. He speaks English fluently. I study Spanish.
Countries. Most. I want to visit France. Russia is big, but exceptions, the United States, the United Kingdom, the Philippines.
Special fixed phrases. Go to bed. Go to school. Go to hospital. Meaning the purpose, sleeping, studying, being treated. But if specific building, I went to the school to meet the teacher. He's in the hospital visiting his grandma.
Big tip for Russian speakers and others. Don't add the everywhere just because it feels more complete. In English, we often drop it for general ideas. Common mistakes. I like the music. If general, I like music. He goes to the university every day. If studying, he goes to university. We watched the television last night. We watched television. Let's tell a longer, real-life story to see everything together. Last Saturday, Ben and I went shopping. We needed milk, eggs, and bread. We walked to the supermarket near our home. Inside the supermarket was very busy. I picked up an apple from the shelf. Then I saw the apple was shiny and red. Ben found a nice jacket. The jacket fit him perfectly. We paid and left. On the way home, we saw birds flying. It was a wonderful day. Actually, it was the best shopping trip this month.
Yes, it really was. You can see how articles guide the listener. First any, then specific, sometimes general again.
Time for a bigger quiz. Fill in the blanks out loud. Pause the podcast if you need to think. Can I have a glass of water? Water in this bottle is cold. Water is essential for life. She bought beautiful dress. Dress she bought is blue. I love dresses with flowers. Mount Fuji is famous in Japan. We visited Eiffel Tower last year. Children like ice cream. Children in our street are playing now.
How did you do? If you missed some, awesome. That's how we learn. Try writing your own 5 sentences tonight using different articles.
Let's do one more fun role play. Imagine ordering food.
Hello, welcome to Sunny Cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like coffee, please, black.
Sure, 1 coffee coming up. Anything to eat?
Yes, a sandwich. Chicken, please.
Great choice. Would you like salad too?
Maybe later. Oh, can I see dessert menu?
Of course. Here is the dessert menu. The cakes are very popular.
Thank you. They look delicious.
See how natural it sounds? We used A/N for first orders, the for specific things on the table, 0 for general ideas.
Exactly. One final tip to master articles fast. Read easy English stories or children's books every day. Articles appear naturally. Listen to simple podcasts or songs and repeat sentences you hear. Describe your day out loud. I drank coffee. The coffee was hot. Coffee helps me wake up. Write short messages or diary entries and check articles. Share in the comments if you want feedback.
Friends, you're doing amazing just by listening and practicing. Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers slip sometimes. Every time you try, you get better.
We believe in you completely. Keep speaking, keep listening, keep thinking in English. Even 10 minutes a day makes a huge difference.
Let's quickly review everything we covered today. A/N, non-specific, first mention, one of many. A before a consonant sound, N before a vowel sound. The, specific, already known, unique things, superlatives. 0 article, general ideas, plural nouns, uncountables, meals, sports, languages, most countries, go to bed, school, or hospital for purpose.
Thank you so much for joining us in episode 83. If this helped you, give us a like, subscribe, and drop 1 sentence in the comments using a, an, the, or 0 article. We'll read them and cheer you on.
See you next time. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep thinking in English.
Bye for now. We love you all.